Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Measurement chapter is going on. And last session, we have learned measuring weight. Today, we are going to learn measuring capacity. What is capacity? The capacity of a container tells how much liquid the container can hold. Okay, look here. In this picture, Rohan and Riya are comparing the capacities of their sippers. Here, Rohan have one sipper and Riya have one sipper. Okay, whose sipper holds more water? Here, from Rohan's sipper, there are water of 2 cups, and here in Riya's sipper there are only 1 cup of water. Okay, so Rohan's sipper's capacity is more than Riya's sipper. Now here we can see from the picture that Rohan's sipper holds more water. Yes? And the capacity of Rohan's sipper is more than the capacity of Riya's sipper. Look here. The water contains only 1 cup. And here Rohan's sipper water contains 2 cups. Now we will see some example. Look here. This is a bowl. This is a glass. And this is a water bottle. Now, here, this bowl contains water. Here, the glass water. And here, the water from bottle. Look here. Now tell me, in these 3, the water capacity of this bottle is more than these 2 things. Okay. The capacity of water from the bowl is less than the capacity of the water from glass and the capacity of the water from the bottle. Means this bowl capacity is less than these 2 objects. And this bottle's capacity of liquid or water is more than these 2 objects. Okay. Now, here are some containers of capacity. We have to circle the container that has more capacity. Look here. Here is a bottle and here is a glass. Now tell me, which container has more capacity from glass and the bottle? Yes, this bottle has more capacity. Okay. Now here in these 2 objects, this flask capacity is more than the cup. Now here also this object has more capacity. So we have to circle it. Yes, this also. Okay. Then this is a mug and this is a tin. So the capacity is more of this tin. Understand, children? Here are some hot questions. The length of the pencil is about dash dash paper clips. Look, here is the picture of paper clips. We will count paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, the length of the pencil is about 6 paper clips. And here are also option. So 6 is the correct answer. Now next, a jug means this jug holds 10 cup of water. Look here, this is the full of water and it holds 10 cups of water, and Raima drinks 8 cups of water from the jug. From 10, Raima drinks 8 cup of water. Tick the image that shows the leftover amount of water. Look here children, this is the full of water. Then it is half jug and here is a little. So if Raima drink 8 cups of water from 10 cup of water, then here will 10 minus 8 means how many cup of water will left in the jug? 2. So 2 cup of water means this is approximate 2 cup of water. So we have to tick here. Okay children. Now look this example. Box A is heavier than box B. A is heavier. If here is a box, this is a small box, and this A is heavier than B box, means B is smaller than A. This is box A and this is box B, and box B is heavier than box C, means this box is heavier than box C, means C box is lighter than B. Okay, look here children, A is heavier than B and B is heavier than C. Which one of them is the heaviest box? Tell me children. Here I draw these 3 boxes, and which box is heavier? So box A is heavier box. Understand? So children, I hope you have understood measuring capacity. Now you have to write this underlined sentence in the notebook and then complete this work in the textbook. Okay? Thank you.